Hello guys and welcome back. This is Hamonweb and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a custom or private name server via your Hamonweb account. Let's get started. First of all you need to do is log into your Hamonweb client area, of which I'm logged into mine. Then you come under the particular domain, come under domains. Then you choose the particular domain that you want to create a custom or private name server for. Let's say, for example, I want to create a custom name server for gplcode.com.ng. I click on it. Okay. So before I continue, do you know that there is a 40% discount code of which I'm going to be revealing during the course of this video for you, which you can use to get over 40% off your next web hosting purchase on Hamonweb. Thank you. So now continuing, we're already on the managing domain page. Under the manage section here, you're going to see private name servers. Click on it, then you'll be taken to the interface where you'll be able to create a private name server for that particular domain. Great, this is how the interface looks like. So now, let's say you want to create a private name server for dns1.gplco.com.ng or ns1 or ns2 or xyz1 or anything that you want to use as a prefix. Okay, let's say I'm using dns1.gplco.com.ng. Then you'll be given a particular IP address to point that name server to. Input that IP address here. Let's say this is the IP address. Input it and click on save changes. Once you've done that, you just created a private name server for that particular domain name. And mostly name servers are always starting from 2 to 4 to 3, depending on the provider that you are using. Also, if you want to modify a name server, you can come under here. Then we put DNS1 here. Just input that here, so it's going to select that particular private name server. Then the current IP address that was there, which is this IP address here, input it there. Then input the new IP address that you want to change it to. Then click on save changes. As simple as that. Also, if you want to delete a private name server, you just scroll down and input that same prefix that you use, which is DNS1. Then click on save changes, and immediately that private name server you created is going to be automatically deleted. Thank you so much. And now let's go back to the discount code that I promised you guys. Now, looking right on your screen now, you're going to see the discount code which you can use on your next Amazon purchase, which is save 40. Use it during your checkout and you're going to get a 40% off discount on your next web hosting purchase with Amazon. Thank you guys and see you in the next video.